Avodah Zarah, Parakein Ma'amidim Daf Ches, sponsored L'Refuah Shlema for Zerach Zev Ben Peril. Rabbi Yochanan explains the parameters of the prohibition not to allow a Gentile to treat a Jew. Number one, Kol Maka Shemechalin Olehas HaShabbos. Any injury one would be permitted to desecrate Shabbos, he cannot allow a Gentile to treat it. Unlike Rabbi Yehuda, who holds he cannot treat even a wound from drawing blood, Rabbi Yochanan limits it to life-threatening injuries. Another version, Maka Shel Chalol, an internal as opposed to external injury. The difference, an injury to the outside of the hand or foot. It is life-threatening, but not internal. Number three, Maka Shetzricha Omed. One may desecrate Shabbos for an injury that the patient's ability to survive must be assessed. A Gentile may not treat. Number four, a flu fever minimum 102 degrees Fahrenheit, or any fever resulting from an infection. It is considered life-threatening and may not be treated by a Gentile. The Gemara defines a Maka Shel Chalol, an internal injury. Rabbi Ami holds within one's lips. Question: what is the status of injured gums and teeth? Being hard, are they external, or does their location define them as internal? The Gemara rejects a proof. Brisa states, Achoshesh b'shinav, one whose teeth hurt cannot gargle with vinegar. One can infer if his suffering is terrible pain, he is permitted to gargle. The answer: Choshesh may include even severe tooth pain, unless it is infected and could spread to the intestines. However, if his entire body is affected, causing him to be bedridden, he may take medicine. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe, and become a sponsor. Thank you.